English time.
Okay, guys, emergency meeting. Where should we go next?
I think we should go to the Family Kingdom.
No, Food Kingdom.
No, I prefer School Kingdom.
No, the best is Color Kingdom.
No, I think we should go to the one.
Okay, wait. I think this mission is missing something or someone, and that's
You! Welcome to Monkey Time!
Adventure starts now.
I'm Explorer George and we will go and fun missions.
I'm Explorer Noelia. We will play games.
I'm Explorer John Danvera and we will sing song.
Oh hi, I'm the Explorer Jeremy and we'll learn a few new words.
Play, roll, we are Monkey Time!
Explorer Brian Munoz.
I'm Explorer Arelis Ochoa.
Keep watching our channel.
To keep learning English.
Hello Explorers, today we have a special mission. Hey, we're going to the Animal Kingdom. Do you know there are some fun animals hiding in the Animal Kingdom?
Can you help us find them?
Come with us, explorers. Let's find some farm animals.
Let's go. Come on, guys.
Yeah, the Animal Kingdom. Guys, stop! Look, an animal. Look, I found a donkey. It's a donkey, it's a donkey, it's a donkey, it's a donkey.
Can you say donkey? Donkey. Good job, explorers.
Oh, guys, look. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog, dog.
Say dog with me, explorer. Dog. Good job, explorers.
Alright guys, I think I found an animal. Look what I found. A horse. It's a horse, it's a horse. Here I have a horse.
Come on, let's say horse. Horse. Good job.
Guys, I found another animal. It's a cat, it's a cat, it's a cat, 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 it's a cat.
Let's say cat. Cat. Good job, explorers.
Hey guys, I find out another animal. Wow, it's a rabbit, it's a rabbit, it's a rabbit, it's a rabbit, it's a rabbit.
It's your turn, explorer. Say rabbit. Rabbit. Good job.
Look, I already found another animal. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep.
Say sheep. Sheep. Good job.
Look, there is a cow. This is a cow. Is the cow, is the cow, is the cow, is the cow.
Repeat after me, explorer. Cow. Good job.
Oh guys, I think I found another animal. Look, I found a pig. It's a pig, it's a pig. Here I have a pig.
Say pig. Pig. Good job.
Oh, look at this. It's a goat. It's a goat, it's a goat, it's a goat, goat, goat. It's a goat.
Say goat. Goat. Very good.
Look, guys, look. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. 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 It's a chicken.
Now let's say chicken. Chicken. Good job.
Oh guys, I found another animal. Look. It's a duck, it's a duck, it's a duck, it's a duck, it's a duck.
Repeat after me, explorer. Duck. Very good.
Excellent, guys. You completed today's special mission in Animal Kingdom. See you on our next adventure.
Bye.